Welcome. In front of me I have the iPhone 14 Pro Max, and today I'll show you how you can apply the little glass protection to your cameras. So make sure that when you're buying something like this, you buy it for the correct version. So as you'll probably see, there's several different ones for 14 Pro Max, which I'm pretty sure should be just Plus instead, but okay, and 14. And the reason for that is they will have different camera layouts. So between for instance 14 and 14 Plus should have the same one, I think, but not a triple one, but I might be wrong. But yeah, some of them will have the LiDAR sensors, the triple camera, some of them will have just dual camera setup. So make sure you pick the correct one. Now let's see how this looks like. I have never applied this kind of thing to a phone, so we'll see how difficult that is. Get the dry and wet wipe, though I do have a better one right here. I already know from what I can see right here that these are absolutely hilariously small. I've dealt with these before, so just to kind of show this is a dry one, but still proves a point. Like, what the F am I supposed to do with this? And here we get the control protection, so you can see how it looks like. Okay, so let's get our little wet wipe. Wipe this off all around. You do also want to get dust if it's here, between in the grooves, because once you apply this, it might show up and it just might not look very aesthetic, if that is something that you care. Okay, and I also have a little microfiber cloth, but in your case you'd be using the actual wet and dry wipes. So get the phone or not the phone, but the cameras as clean as possible, and also try to remove any kind of dust that might be on here. I did record a video where I was applying a little foil to the ceramic, apparently, which is looking like it's made out of complete plastic, onto the screen, and I did kind of fail with the dust, so it did show up on it. Okay, now that it's semi-clean, I'm keeping this over it just so the dust won't really settle on it, and you can probably see how it will be applied, so you can just kind of see. So it looks like it's gonna go like this. So that's how you would apply it. So I'm gonna take it off from the sticker. There we go. And from there, just align it to be correctly. You can place it gently. And what I'm looking right now at is how it's placed, because it does have a little bit of a wiggle room, so I do want to make sure that it's spaced correctly from right here. As you can see, there's a little bit I don't know, 0.5 millimeter drop. See on the other side. Okay, so here it's pretty good, and on the other side as well. So it looks like I need to shift it just a titsy bit. Like this. Yep, that seems to do it. Okay, so from here, just press it down. So there we go, now your camera is obviously protected. I have some weirdness going on right here, not sure what that is. Maybe if I lift it up, I think it's just air that got trapped. It still goes the same way. Okay. So yeah, anyway. Obviously the camera will be working just fine. There's nothing really in between the cameras. So there we go. And one thing to mention, it will add a little bit of a bigger bump to your cameras, as you can see. So at least it's not really wobbling, not much. So you can see. But yeah, anyway. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.